Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Brian, and today we're going to make red curry dumpling bake. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. In a large baking dish, add the coconut cream, red Thai curry, garlic, and fish sauce and mix well. Place the bok choy evenly over the sauce and frozen dumplings evenly in a single layer over mixture, slightly pressing into the sauce. Cover with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Uncover and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the dumplings have slightly crisp on the top. Garnish evenly with bean sprouts, Thai basil, cilantro, and desired amount of chili crisps. Serve this easy meal with your favorite type of steamed rice. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.